It's Juliet. I'm back at the go-kart track. I'm gonna run my Tony Kart today. It's 95 degrees out there. So yesterday I made an adjustment on the kart, narrowed the rear axle because, and I actually had a few people say something to me about this. The kart, the rear end just wanted to come out pretty much all the time. And we finally made a decision to just narrow it a little bit. And I did find results with that yesterday. I found definitely a positive change, so I kept it that way. And then today I saw the rear tires, we're just gonna rotate them so that they'll last longer, but they are pretty much shot, so we're gonna change those again soon. I have one more set of MG Reds that I'm gonna put on. Super non-grippy, super non-fun in some ways, but I think it's good learning tire for me, and it's super hot out, so the hard compound will do well with that. But yeah, I'm gonna put the GoPro on and let's watch this run. Yeah. I just went out on a run in my Tony Kart. Before that, I did 2 rental kart races with my friends. It was pretty fun to slow it down a little bit, get a good position. It was a good couple races. So I feel like after narrowing the rear axle, I felt like the rear end doesn't want to come around as much, which is nice. It just feels a little bit more smooth through the corners, and I feel like I can send it a little more without it coming back around. But it's definitely a hot one out there, and I'm trying to drink a lot of water and just stay with it. But all in all, I think I'm gonna do 2 or 3 more runs, maybe 4 today. We'll see.